friends, it's your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Crazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. Guys, this week a really fabulous song came back to Korean charts, 8 by IU. And guess who did the featuring? That's right, BTS Suga did the featuring for IU's 8. So today we're gonna do our food version of this great collaboration. We're gonna make IU's favorite food, which is Gopchang, and Tteokbokki is Suga's favorite food. So we thought, why not mix these two together? So let's get straight to the ingredients. So which stock are we gonna use today? We're gonna use this flour tteokbokki. So there are two types of tteokbokki stock, and there are these like two grand sides saying I like the rice tteokbokki and I like the flour tteokbokki. And which guys do you like?
Rice, flour.
Okay, this is what happened, guys. Because this is store-bought, I gave them a good wash. While this prepares, we're gonna cut our vegetables. I'm gonna do osusargi. Osusargi is cutting them diagonally like this. But honestly, you can just do whichever way you like. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, it's so juicy. And this is my secret ingredient. This is the sesame seed leaves for some kind of kick, a herb kick that's gonna give you the scent. We really like this because of the scent, but I also know that a lot of my foreigner friends can't bear to eat this. So you guys can replace it with other herbs that you like. So I have 10 leaves. So what I did here is that I gave it a good roll because that's gonna make it easier to cut, and you guys know that I'm not really good at chopping stuff. Okay, last ingredient is this cabbage here. I went to the store to buy cabbage and there was this like cabbage this huge and it said that it's $1, so I was like, oh my god, I have to get that, so I got it. And then I found out that was the $1 sign for the pepper next to the cabbage, so I had to return that and I got a smaller one. I'm gonna cut this in half. You don't need that much. About 2 cups will do. Cut out the stalk. And we're gonna start making the sauce. Bam! So this is another really important ingredient for our tteokbokki, which is the omuk. Omuk is basically fish cake. And I'm gonna use them all because there's 3 of us. And let's see. In 3. And because we're Crazy Thursday, THU for Thursday. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This actually looks like the H sign from Hermes. How am I gonna do the U? I think we have to cut this. I can do it. Ta-da! It looks like the font from SpongeBob, right? Really important in tteokbokki is including hard-boiled eggs. These are raw eggs, so I'm gonna get 2 and I'm gonna boil them right now. Stay tuned to find out what I'm gonna do with this one left egg.
15 minutes later.
Rock, paper, scissors. 아! 아프네 이거.
I can sense the anger.
Oh, but it worked. And these two are going in later. let's get our pan ready. So first, we're gonna get 500 milliliters of water. Pour it in here. I think we might need about 300 more. So I added 800 milliliters of water in total. And we're gonna get our gochujang. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna add my cabbage now. So here they go. Okay, it looks even more ugly. Okay, so it's heated up a lot, so I'm gonna add my fish cakes. Let's see how our Crazy Thursday tteokbokki turns out. And when it starts to boil, then we're gonna add our green onions and our duck. Okay, it's starting to boil. Boing, boing. Her stomach is like screaming with food. Green onion. I think we need to boil for about 5 to 10 more minutes.
A few minutes later.
The rice cakes have expanded, thicker than my finger. I'm gonna let this simmer in a different pan, and I'm gonna bring in the pan to cook our intestines. Time to cook our intestines. This is actually pre-cooked. We just need to heat them up. Drizzle some oil. Woo! Careful. 얼굴에 튀었어. And you open it! Oh, can you smell this, guys? It smells so good. I heard that in the States, people eat it too. They call the food chitlins. Have you guys tried? It's not something that is too unfamiliar. Okay, now we're gonna put this and plate this on top of our tteokbokki because it's done. Let's go. Okay, now we just need to plate our 2 great ingredients together. This is Suga's favorite food, and Gopchang is IU's favorite food. We're celebrating their collaboration. Okay, I have this bed of sesame seed leaves, and we're gonna put our Gopchang on top like this, guys. Okay, and how do we top off our Korean food?
Sesame seed.
Yes! Okay, we're done. Let's go and do the taste test. Okay, guys, let's do the taste test. So I'm gonna try them separately first, and then I'm gonna try them together to let you know what they taste like. We need to find Crazy Thursday. You. Oh, key. Oh, is this flipped? Yeah. Yay! Let's try the gopchang. Oh, I need chopsticks. Actually, it would be a good idea to eat with chopsticks. The combination of the gopchang, the intestines, and the sesame seed leaf is on point. Rice cake is chewy, and the intestines are quite chewy. The barbecue flavor sinks into the rice cake, so it's really good. And it's not over, so you guys have to wait. I'll show you what we do with tteokbokki round 2, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm so full, but it's not over till it's over, guys. Round 2, tteokbokki round 2, we're gonna make 볶음밥. Koreans love to do 볶음밥 using the leftover sauce here. Pour out your sauce until there's just about one ladle. Now turn the heat to medium-high. We're gonna add our leftover 깻잎, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna just use scissors for this. You can add green onions or even carrots, but you know, I'm just too lazy to chop up any other vegetables. In here, I'm gonna add my rice and also sesame seed oil. I think just 1.5. And what you do is basically you just spread it out to the pan so that it's mixed well with the sauce. Spread it out, spread it out. Aren't you guys forgetting anything? It's time for our egg comeback. This is why I saved up 1 egg. Oops. Ah! And now, just have to mix it well. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Add even more scrumptiousness. We're gonna add the dried seaweed. This. Ooh. And then, when you finish mixing it, spread it out again. Why? Because you have to crispen the bottom end of the rice. Okay, turn the fire off. Sesame seed leaves and our scrumptious tteokbokki sauce with rice is super on point. I'm gonna go and finish this with Monica and Rachel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's video we made actually 3 different dishes turned into one. So we made tteokbokki and we made gopchang. So we made Gopchang Tteokbokki. And then we also made stir fry with the tteokbokki sauce. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. And this was Phoebe from Crazy Thursday. Hope you have a great rest of the day. And don't forget to try this out and let us know in the comments. We'll be back next week with another round of great videos. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.